early 2000s home, so the garage height is high, but it's not super high. So there's a standard man door, and then we've done a rack that's just short of 4 feet. It's 43 inches off that ceiling. So that means they can do 2 totes on top of each other, stored up there. Give me a different idea from your perspective. There's one, we've done an L-shaped, right? So this is an 8-foot deck that goes all the way to there, and then another one starting from here going this way. So 2 8-foot decks next to each other makes this huge storage space. And then they had a treble garage, they had the space for it, so we did another one, third, and then a 4th one. You can see how clean the look that can look. So they come home and all their things are just tidy, well out of the way. The rack's dimensions are 8 foot by 4 foot. One of the things I really like about the rack we install is these cross beams are cold rolled steel. They're not just welded into the Y mesh like some of the other manufacturers. They're actually a separate beam, and this beam is super solid. I can quite comfortably hang on it, and I'm just over 150 pounds. Same with the centre beam too. It's also a C shape rather than some of the other guys doing L. I don't want to knock them, but just want to say that this is a really solid rack. It's ready to hold its 600 pound load forevermore. Got any questions? Give me a shout, either via social medias or give us a call. Also got website links and things as well. You can check out more pictures. So obviously here, you can come home, walk up the stairs. Planned it so that you can get to the door openers and everything without being in the way. And this is out of your headspace too. Here's an example. I'm standing underneath this. That's me there, and quite comfortably. Tons of headroom, but still tons of storage. Harry with Rack the Garage.